LIFW, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments and my exact play. So we're sitting at 16% up, right? That's some good upside deliveries. This is MSP recovery stock. Before I get into the details and everything, just to give you context, I myself am purely using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So if I check out the weekly chart, this, like I said, like it was not a real break, right? This was just the wicks on the weekly chart. So here's the proof of me calling out this exact same move. So I called out the thing that even like the upside moves here, because like I'm really deep into this stuff, been for 4 years, and I've been looking at charts every single day for the last 4 years for like 33 hours per day minimum. So yeah, there. This is how it looked like. This was made 6 months ago, 27th of September. So you get the point. It delivered to the lows, but then screw, like it just went up like crazy, and then it's been going down again. Now, honestly speaking, yeah, this is a break. I'm gonna actually count this as a break. Does it mean that much? Not necessarily, right? Not necessarily. Like honestly, for me to now be bullish, the price needs to pull back and break again, but that's gonna take a lot of freaking time. So if I want to capitalize on this bullish trend from here, I'm obviously just going to need to still continue to use my strategy, right? But also be very precise, because if the price now comes inside my zone here, so it enters the zone and then gives me a double break, then and only then I'm really going to take a trade, but it needs to give me the rules, and that's every single time. Like every single time that I get in, that's the only way that I go about it, right? It's just from testing and a lot of testing and a lot of texting. So for a lot more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.